What's up guys? I'm going to show you a simple and really sexy dance combo that you can use in the club if y'all want to impress a few girls, or maybe you just want to look like a fly dude on the dance floor. I got you covered, yeah? So this dance move is really kind of party vibes, yeah? It's kind of fun guy vibes, like I'm having a good time vibe. And it's also kind of smooth as well, so you're gonna really love this. Check this out. So you start this dance combo off on a slight diagonal. Feet are together. What we want to do with our feet is we want to jump out and bring him in. Now, our upper body, our arms, all they do is bang, bang, down, yeah? So it's up into a fist, and then we knock it again, and we throw it down. We open our palms up, yeah? So it's bang, bang, down. Bang, bang, down, yeah? We do that at the same time as we go out and in, okay? So it looks a little something like this. Bang, bang, down. Now, little tip to make this look a bit funkier. Get a bit of a bounce with your knees when you hit back. And make sure you have strong control over your muscles and the nerves in your arms and upper body to do this movement sharply. Don't kind of make it floppy with your wrists. Hold your wrist strong, hit down. We're gonna do that one side, and then we're gonna shift direction to the other side and repeat the movement again. So it becomes hit down, hit down, okay? Now the wider you go out with your legs, the more dynamic you can make the movement. The shorter, the more casual you can make it. Probably better for a crowded dance floor. A more spacious dance floor, you can go for it. Go wide, yeah? So it's one that side, one that side. We're finishing facing this direction here, okay? From here we go with our feet, jump, jump. So it's two little jumps. You slowly and incrementally increase the distance each time you jump, okay? Jump, jump. What you want to do with your arms as you do the foot movement. Whoopsie daisies. Looks like that is enough for this free video, but the full video will be available online in my mentor program. So I highly recommend you guys check that out if you haven't already. It's crazy value. It's a one-time payment for lifetime access. Get on it. Link is in the description below.